Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's your girl Camis. So in this video I'll be showing you how I made my lamb steak, and this was super easy. I just bought some lamb steak and seasoned it with some aromat, little salt, little curry, ginger powder, garlic powder, thyme, and then straight to the pan. And as you can see, I'm frying the lamb on the pan because this is how I wanted it anyway. I didn't want to grill it. I wanted to fry it on the pan, and turning it on, turning it some few minutes, and then cover it up for some few minutes and let it cook very well. And you guys, I had it with some veggies, that is carrot, I had broccoli, I had sweet corn, and wow guys, and I had shrimps. I actually fried some shrimps too. I don't know why I did that, but I just had to mix everything. Sometimes when you don't know what to cook, you just look for a recipe. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you in my next one. Bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you